Hello, dear viewers. When you look at Buddhists, do you notice their unwavering calm and harmony? What's their secret? In this video, we'll reveal 7 simple yet incredibly powerful methods to help you overcome stress and achieve inner peace in any situation. These Buddhist techniques are easy to integrate into daily life and truly work. We'll discuss practical tips for tackling everyday challenges and offer exclusive bonuses and recommendations to further enhance your well-being. Stay with us until the end to discover how to transform your life for the better. Get ready to unlock the secrets of calm and inner harmony, so every moment of your life is filled with deep meaning. First method, time management. Here's what Buddhists teach: mastering time and task management brings inner peace and stability. They practice mindful scheduling to balance work, study, and rest. This approach helps not only organize your tasks but also reduce stress. Write down your tasks in a notebook or app, break them into smaller steps, and schedule them daily. Don't forget to allocate time for rest and self-development. Use visual reminders with color codes or symbols for key tasks to easily track progress and avoid missing important moments. This mindful planning method will lead you to peace and inner balance.
Be diligent in managing your time so that time does not manage you. Buddha.
Second method, managing expectations. Excessive expectations can be a source of stress. Buddhist teachings advise focusing on the present moment and accepting life as it is. Set realistic goals and break them into intermediate steps. Embracing imperfection and acknowledging your limitations will reduce stress and make your goals more achievable. View mistakes as part of the journey to success, not as failures. This will help you not only achieve your goals but also enjoy the process. Keep a journal of accomplishments where you record even small victories. This will help you see your progress and maintain motivation, especially during challenging times.
If your expectations are excessive, your stress will be excessive too. Dalai Lama.
Third method, organizing your workspace. Chaos in your workspace, chaos in your mind. In Buddhism, cleanliness and order are essential. Ensure that your workspace is tidy and organized. Remove unnecessary items, use organizers and storage systems. Create a comfortable work zone by checking the comfort of your chair and desk. A well-organized space will help you focus on your work and reduce stress. Cleanliness and order in your workspace contribute to mental clarity and stress reduction. Remember, an organized space not only provides comfort but also boosts productivity. Implement regular time for cleaning and organizing your workspace. This will help avoid clutter accumulation and maintain a productive work environment.
When your mind is clear, the space around you becomes clear. Thich Nhat Hanh.
Fourth method, physical activity. Physical activity is your ally in the fight against stress. Regular exercise improves both physical fitness and mood. Buddhists actively engage in sports, including walking, martial arts, and yoga. Find the type of activity that you enjoy, whether it's walking, yoga, running, or dancing. Even 20 to 30 minutes of exercise a day can significantly reduce stress levels. If you don't have time for full workouts, include active breaks, stretching, or a short walk will do the trick. Stay active and healthy. Try to incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, such as taking walks during lunch breaks or going for an evening stroll to stay active every day. After all, consistency is the key to achieving results.
Physical activity is not just a workout for the body, but also for the mind. Santideva.
Fifth method, the practice of mindful eating. Mindful eating in Buddhism is not just a trend, but a way of life. It's about focusing on the process of eating and being aware of every bite. Instead of eating on the go, set aside time for meals and savor each moment. This will help control your appetite and improve digestion. Include healthy and balanced foods in your diet. Try a simple Buddhist vegetable soup recipe that's easy to prepare. Ingredients: 1 carrot, 1 potato, 1 small zucchini, 1 onion, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ginger, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: 1. Cut the vegetables into small pieces. 2. Heat a little oil in a pot, add the onion, and sauté until translucent. 3. Add the carrot, potato, and zucchini, and cook for a couple of minutes. 4. Add 500 milliliters of water and ginger, and bring to a boil. 5. Reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes, until the vegetables are tender. 6. Add salt and pepper, and enjoy the soup slowly and mindfully. As an option, use colorful plates and utensils to make the food visually more appealing and encourage a more mindful approach to eating.
Food should be a source of energy, not stress. Sangharakshita.
Sixth method, practicing gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for reducing stress. Start your day by writing down 3 things you are thankful for. This simple exercise helps you focus on the positive and fosters inner harmony. In Buddhism, gratitude is considered one of the keys to inner peace and spiritual growth. Regular practice of gratitude helps develop compassion and mindfulness, allowing you to better handle difficulties and see opportunities for growth. Be grateful for what you have and observe how it changes your life. Create a gratitude board where you can record your achievements and positive moments. This visual reminder will inspire you and maintain a positive outlook.
Gratitude opens the fullness of life. Pema Chodron.
Seventh method, mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation strengthens inner calm and focus. Find 15 minutes each day for practice. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Gradually learn to let go of thoughts and return to your breath. This practice will help you better manage stress and maintain inner balance. In the middle of your workday, when your concentration and productivity start to decline, try finding a meditation video on YouTube. Play it and meditate for 15 minutes. This can significantly help reset your mind and improve your focus.
True meditation is the practice of being at peace with your thoughts and feelings. Ajahn Chah.
In summary, Buddhist stress management techniques are simple yet powerful. Time and expectation management, organizing your workspace, physical activity, mindful eating, gratitude, and mindfulness meditation will not only help you handle difficulties, but also find harmony in life. Integrating these 7 methods into your routine is a step towards real improvement and inner peace. These practices will help you develop discipline, enhance stress resilience, and create a more balanced and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. Share in the comments which methods you liked the most, or tell us about your own way of managing stress. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Once we reach 5,000 likes on this video, I will prepare a new video on the topic "Always keep this with you in 50 years. You will be grateful you did." Wishing everyone inner peace.